Hello guys, do you need more sweat coins? Then you are in good place and stay with me till the end of this video and I will show you how you can get a lot of sweat coins for your app. So let's start with the beginning. So I've got the Sweatcoin mode APK installed on my device right on here. And what is the difference between Sweatcoin app and Sweatcoin Then I will open the Sweatcoin right now, and as you can see I've got the extra button right here at 1,000 sweat coins. So yeah, it's that easy. I have a lot of sweat coins already, and to add 1,000 sweat coins more, I need to click on here, and as you can see I've got 1k more of the sweat coins. So that is very easy, and I have it installed this mode on my iPhone, as you can see right here, the Sweatcoin but this version of the Sweatcoin mode APK is working also for any Android devices. So if you have an Android device, then don't worry, you can also get the sweat coins for yourself or on your Android device. So I've got the mode from this site, as you can see right here, rinject.club. So if you want to get it, go to your browser and go to this mode page, which is rinject.club, and find here Sweatcoin mode APK. If it's signed, click on here and click this start injection button. It will start the download process for your device, but I don't need to download it again as I have it right here, the Sweatcoin If you have any troubles with downloading process, then you should check the how to download video tutorial and you will get the Sweatcoin mode APK for your device easily. It takes only 5 minutes tops. So I will add more sweat coins for my balance, and it is really that easy. The button, the add 1,000 sweat coins button, is really great. So I think that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the mode, the Sweatcoin mode, and I hope you enjoyed unlimited sweat coins. So that will be all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and leave this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about the Sweatcoins mode, please write it in the comment section, and also if that mode is working for you, please also leave a comment below. So thanks and bye.